Hello, can we exchange some information about this G5 portable SSD?
Okay,
What is its brand name?
it is Samsung. Uh, what is capacity?
It has about 500 gigabytes. What about data transfer rate?
Is 540 megabyte per second. Uh, is internal or external?
It's the external. How weight is?
Is 0.1 pounds. What is color?
It has the color of blue. Uh, Though it has some special features.
Yes, it's portable, fast and secure. How much is?
It is about 97.99.
Thank you for information.
Goodbye.